Day 7. A moment of scholarly pursuit. This map holds secrets, I believe.
X marks the spot. A hidden spring, perhaps? Or better yet, more rum.
More likely a swamp, Captain.
A new quest. A daring expedition. What wonders await?
Or what horrors, Captain?
Fear not, faithful viewers. Where X marks the spot, adventure follows.
And very large spiders.
Perhaps X simply marks a very enthusiastic bush. The map is rather vague.
Or you're lost, Captain.
Aha! A landmark. The map might not be entirely unhelpful. Or a large, mossy trap.
Intriguing. A subtle marking. Perhaps a key.
Or just a very old scratch, Captain.
Another day, another riddle. This island, it keeps on giving, or at least teasing.
More rum, more mystery.